Hello and welcome to this lecture where you are going to learn how to start Midjourney. Differently from other tools to generate images using artificial intelligence, you need to follow some more steps to generate images using Midjourney. In other tools, you just need to start the graphical interface and start generating the images. When working with Midjourney, we need to create a Discord account, validate the account, register the server, and so on. During this lecture, you are going to learn this process step by step. I have opened the Midjourney official website, as you can see here, midjourney.com. If you want more information about the tool, you can read all the description, such as the information about the company and the tool, as well as information about careers. If you click on Showcase, you can see images that were generated using this tool. If you compare the results of Midjourney with other tools, you will see that Midjourney can generate images that sometimes are better than other ones. For example, if you want to generate an image similar to this one, you can send this prompt to the tool. So an image like this one will be generated. We can see this other one, a vintage yellow VW Beetle lowrider, very clean, realistic look in a showroom. You send this text to the tool and it will be able to generate an image similar to this one. If you want to know how to start the tool, you can click on Documentation. During this course, we are going to focus on a lot of steps that are available in the documentation. For example, getting started and using Discord. Midjourney works under Discord, so we need to create a Discord account in order to use Midjourney. I'm going to click on Quick Start Guide. This web page will be opened. We can see here a lot of information, for example, image size, styles, working with your own images, writing prompts, and so on. During this course, we are going to cover this documentation and perform a lot of tests using the parameters. Now we need to follow this quick start tutorial in order to start generating the first images. The first step is to log in to Discord. In case you don't have a Discord account, you need to follow this link to create a Discord account. I'm going to click on Sign In. Then we are going to access this other link, New to Discord. We click on Sign Up. You can fill in your personal information, the full name, as well as the email. You will receive a link to set a new password for your account. If you don't find the email in your inbox, check your spam folder. This other web page will be opened. You need to specify your name and your password. This web page is in Portuguese since this language is set on my operational system. In your case, you are going to see the text in English or in your native language. I'm going to click on Set Password. This web page will be opened which means that our Discord account is already created. Now we can go back to the quick start. In step number 1, we need to verify the Discord account. We are going to verify it in the next step. Let's move on to step number 2. We need to subscribe to a Midjourney plan. At the moment I am recording this lecture, there is no free version, so we need to pay to use the tool. We can see here that the basic plan costs $10 monthly. I'm going to click this link. This other web page is going to be opened. Now we need to click on Login. We need to click this button, Sign Up, and specify the same email we provided in this other step when we created the Discord account. After filling your data, you can click on Continue, click on Authorize, and then we have this message that we need to verify our account, which is equivalent to this step, verify Discord account. You are going to receive an email similar to this one. Thanks for registering for an account on Discord. Before we get started, we just need to confirm that this is you. Click below to verify your email address. After the email is validated, we can continue to Discord. And this is the Discord web page that we are going to use to generate the images. Now that the Discord account is created and validated, we need to go back to this link in order to choose a subscription plan. After clicking the link, we need to click again in Login. Make sure that the name of your user is appearing here. Then we click on Authorize. We have here the plan options. You can choose yearly billing, $8 monthly, and monthly billing. If you want to use Midjourney only for this course and to learn how to use the tool, I recommend that you select the basic plan, $10 monthly. So, after finishing the course, if you don't intend to use the tool, you can just cancel the subscription. When clicking on Subscribe, you will be redirected to another window where you need to provide your credit card information. After providing your credit card information, you will be able to generate the first images. I'm accessing the Midjourney website. You can see here, midjourney.com. We can take a look at the bottom, Manage Subscription. We can see the information about my basic plan. If you want, you can change or even cancel the plan. Let's go back to the tutorial. In step number 3, we need to join the Midjourney server on Discord. So we need to open this link, discord.gg Midjourney. You have been invited to join Midjourney. We need to click Accept Invite. This other window will be opened. We can see that now we are accessing Midjourney channel. In case you don't see this window, we need to follow these steps. Open Discord and locate the server list. Press plus button. In the pop-up window, click Join a Server, and then we need to paste this link. You need to do it in case you are not visualizing Midjourney server. I'm going to click Add a Server, Join a Server, and then we just need to paste the link to the Midjourney server. Then we click Join Server. Then we are able to visualize all the information about the channel. Step number 4. After joining the Midjourney server on Discord, you will see several channels listed in the sidebar. For example, newcomers rooms and general image generation. As we can see here, new buys 112 and new buys 142. We can see other room, new buys 172. In order to generate the images, we need to access one of these channels here. If you want more information, you can go to Getting Started, and we have some tutorials on how to create the first images. As we can see, we need to go to one of the new by bold channels. Type Imagine. This is the commands that we are going to use to generate the images, and then we can type the prompt or what we want to be generated. If you want more information about Midjourney, you can access the announcements, status, rules, community updates, and so on. Now I'm going to access this room, new buys 112. As you can see, a lot of images are being generated by other users. The difference between Midjourney and other tools is that you are going to see the images that other users are generating in real time, as well as the prompt. For example, photo, morning, muscular dads, and so on. And this is the name of the user. If you like the images a user is generating, you can click this link so you will have access to the information about the user. It means that when you generate an image, all other users will be able to see the image you are generating. Step number 5 is related to image generation, so we need to use these commands. Let's perform the first test. We just need to click here on message and type image followed by the prompt. I will start with the classic example: an astronaut riding a horse in the moon. Press enter. We can see here that we need to wait to start and wait some seconds until the image is generated. We can see 4 versions of the images. See that all of them are high quality images. We can go back to the quick start. We need to accept the terms of service. Before generating the image, you will need to accept the terms. I'm not going to show this process since I have already created an account before and I have accepted the terms of service. In step number 7, we have the image generation process. Step number 8, select an image or create variations. We can see here image number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Letter U means that you are going to upscale the image. If you are satisfied with the result, you can select only one of them. For example, Let's suppose that we liked the second one, so we can create on U2. Only this image will be generated. In other words, it will be separated of the others. While we are generating the images, we can see the images of other users. If you want to visualize only your own images, you can click this button at the top, Inbox, and click on Mentions. We can see that now only the images we are generating will be shown. If you want to go to the image, you just click on Jump. You will be redirected to the image. Let's click again on Inbox. We can see that only this image has been selected. If you want to download it, you click on Jump, then you click on Web, Visit Site. The Midjourney website will be opened with the image, along with the prompt, an astronaut riding a horse in the moon. Then you can click on Download to download the image in case you want to use it. If you want to delete an image, you click the three dots, Apps, and Cancel Job. The image has been deleted. Let's jump to the original images. If you are not satisfied with the results, you can click this button to regenerate the images. Every time you send the prompt or the text to Midjourney, different images will be generated. We have here the first results and the new results. We can click on Jump. I have generated these other versions. In case you like one of them and you would like to generate other versions, you can click the buttons. For example, version 1, 2, 3, or 4. Let's suppose that we like version number 3. When we click this button, other versions of this image are going to be generated. Let's click the Inbox button and wait until the images are created. This is the original, and here are the 3 new versions that have been created based on version number 3. As you could see, the images you generate are public. All users can see the images you are creating. In case you want to make them private, you can type private and press enter, and we can see this message. Your current membership plan doesn't include private model. So, if you want to make your images private, you need to upgrade to a higher plan. That's all for this first lecture, that you have learned how to start Midjourney and generate your first images. In the next lectures, we are going to explore styles, colors, and different types of images. See you there!